Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your championship finalist in the men's 200-meter freestyle. In lane 1, representing North Baltimore Aquatic Club, recently placed 4th in the 2IM at the 2012 trials, Austin Surhoff. Lane 2, representing Australia, 7th in the 200 IM at the 2011 World Championships, Kenneth Toe. Lane 3, representing the University of Arizona, a 3-time NCAA All-American for the Wildcats, Matt Barber. Lane 4, representing Fullerton, 3rd in the 400 free at the recent Olympic trials, Michael Klee. Lane 5, representing the University of Michigan swim team, he placed 6th in the 2 free at the 2012 NCAAs, Michael Winalda. Lane 6, representing Santa Clara, 2-time Olympic trials semifinalist in the 400 IM, Alex Wohl. Lane 7, representing Indiana University, 4th in the 2 free at the 2012 Big Ten Championships, James Barbier. And in lane 8, representing Wisconsin Aquatics, 5th in the 400 IM at the 2012 Olympic trials, Michael Weiss. This is your championship final, men's 200-meter freestyle. Michael Klee, your top seed at 149.27. Representing Fullerton, Michael had an outstanding Olympic trials over in Omaha just a month and a half ago, and he had a great morning swim this morning to lead the qualifying in this event. Going out quickly, that's Kenneth Toe of Australia, 25.29. Kenneth has been a hard charger this entire meet. He's usually willing to get out there and lay it on the line, and going with him is Austin Surhoff there in lane number 1. Now moving up is Michael Klee in lane number 4. And those are your top 3 as they move towards the 100. It is Michael Klee at 53.31, followed by Toe at 53.35, and Surhoff 53.42. So just 1/10 of a second between your top 3 as they move towards the final turn. Michael Klee beginning to extend the lead as they roll through this final turn, and it's Klee at 1:21.027.7 on the split. Into second is Matt Barber in lane 3, followed by Kenneth Toe. Look for Michael Winalda of Michigan to move up and challenge, but right now it is Michael Klee digging in hard to try and win the 2 free. Michael Klee reaches in to win it in a time of 1:48.63. Second is Winalda at 1:49.05. Third goes to Matt Barber at 1:49.97. How about a round of applause for your champion out of Fullerton, Michael Klee?